Welcome back to Autoverse Pro. Today we're going deep, really deep, into one of the most legendary pickup trucks ever built, the 2026 Ford F-150. This isn't just another yearly update. This is a truck that continues to evolve with modern technology, improved performance, and a level of comfort that honestly starts to blur the line between a rugged work truck and a luxury vehicle. Whether you're a truck enthusiast, a daily driver, or someone looking for power and practicality in one package, this review is going to give you everything you need to know. Let's start by taking a slow walk around the exterior, because first impressions matter, and the 2026 F-150 absolutely knows how to make one. The front end has been subtly redesigned, but those subtle changes make a big impact. The grille is wider, bolder, and more sculpted, giving the truck an even more dominant road presence. Depending on the trim, you'll see variations in the grille design, some with heavy chrome accents for a premium look, while others feature a darker, sportier finish that feels aggressive and modern. The LED headlights have been redesigned as well, now slimmer and sharper, with a signature lighting pattern that makes the truck instantly recognizable even at night. These aren't just for looks either. They come with advanced adaptive lighting, which adjusts the beam direction based on your steering input. That means better visibility on curves and safer nighttime driving. As you move to the side profile, the F-150 continues to show off its strong, muscular design. The body lines are clean but powerful, giving it that classic truck toughness while still looking refined. There are new alloy wheel designs for 2026, ranging from 18-inch standard wheels to massive 22-inch options on higher trims. These wheels really change the personality of the truck depending on what you choose, whether it's a work-focused setup or a premium street look. The wheel arches are slightly more pronounced this year, giving the truck a wider, more planted stance. Ford has also made aerodynamic improvements to the body, which might not be immediately visible, but they help reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Even small details like the side mirrors and door contours have been refined to reduce wind resistance and noise. Now moving to the rear, the updated LED taillights have a new light signature that looks modern and bold. The tailgate is one of the most practical features on this truck. It's not just a tailgate, it's a multifunction workspace. You can use it as a step, a flat work surface, or even a measuring station. For people who use their truck on job sites, this is incredibly useful. And for those who enjoy outdoor activities like camping, it becomes a super convenient feature. The truck bed itself is made from high-strength, military-grade aluminum, which helps keep the truck lighter without sacrificing durability. You get multiple tie-down points, built-in bed lighting, and an available onboard generator system. Yes, this truck can actually supply power to tools, appliances, and electronics, making it perfect for work or emergencies. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 Ford F-150 really surprises people. Gone are the days when trucks had basic, utilitarian interiors. This cabin feels modern, comfortable, and in higher trims, genuinely luxurious. As soon as you get in, you'll notice the quality of materials. Soft touch surfaces, high-grade plastics, brushed metal accents, and available leather upholstery all come together to create a premium feel. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. Higher trims offer heated, ventilated, and even massaging seats, which is something you'd normally expect in luxury SUVs. The dashboard is clean and tech-focused, centered around a large infotainment screen. Standard models come with a 12-inch display, while higher trims offer a massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen. The system is smooth, responsive, and easy to use. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your phone without any cables. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to switch between different layouts depending on what information you want to see: navigation, fuel economy, towing data, or performance stats. Everything feels intuitive and driver-focused. One of the coolest interior features is the fold-flat center console. With the push of a button, it transforms into a flat work surface. You can place a laptop on it, write notes, or even have a quick meal. This feature is especially useful for people who work on the go. Rear seat passengers are not forgotten either. The back seats offer excellent legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for adults even on long trips. There are also USB ports, charging options, and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin. Speaking of storage, the F-150 is packed with it. From large door pockets to hidden compartments under the seats, you'll find space for everything. The panoramic sunroof adds an open, airy feel to the cabin, while ambient lighting enhances the mood during night drives. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the F-150 truly earns its reputation. The 2026 model offers multiple engine options, giving buyers the flexibility to choose what suits their needs best. The base engine is a turbocharged V6 that offers a great balance of power and efficiency. It's strong enough for daily driving and light-duty work while still being fuel efficient. If you need more power, there's a V8 option that delivers serious performance. This engine is all about strength, perfect for towing, hauling, and heavy-duty tasks. But the real highlight is the hybrid powertrain. This system combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive torque and improved fuel efficiency. It's powerful, smooth, and surprisingly quiet. Plus, it supports the onboard generator system, turning your truck into a mobile power station. Towing capacity is one of the strongest points of the F-150. It can handle heavy trailers with confidence, making it ideal for work or recreation. Advanced towing technologies make the process much easier. Features like trailer backup assist, smart hitch guidance, and real-time towing data help drivers stay in control, even if they're not experienced with towing. The suspension system has been improved for 2026, offering a smoother and more comfortable ride. Whether you're driving on highways or rough roads, the truck feels stable and controlled. The available four-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in different conditions, from mud to snow. For off-road lovers, there are dedicated packages that include upgraded suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and specialized drive modes. These features allow the truck to handle tough terrain without breaking a sweat. It's not just a work truck, it's also an adventure machine. Fuel efficiency has been improved across the lineup, thanks to better aerodynamics and smarter engine tuning. The hybrid model stands out as the most efficient, making it a great option for those who want to save on fuel costs without sacrificing performance. Now let's talk about pricing, which is always an important factor. The 2026 Ford F-150 comes in multiple trims, each offering different features and capabilities. The base model starts at a reasonable price, making it accessible for many buyers. It offers solid performance and essential features, making it a great entry point. As you move up to mid-range trims, you start getting more technology, better materials, and additional comfort features. These trims offer the best balance between price and value, which is why they're often the most popular choice. At the top end, the premium trims take things to another level. You get luxury-level interiors, advanced tech, and powerful engine options. These models can get quite expensive, but they deliver a high-end experience that rivals luxury SUVs. So overall, the 2026 Ford F-150 continues to dominate the pickup truck segment. It offers a perfect mix of strength, technology, comfort, and versatility. Whether you need it for work, family, or adventure, it's a truck that can do it all, and do it well. That brings us to the end of this in-depth review. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed car content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoverse Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Ford F-150, and which feature you like the most. I'll see you in the next one.